Today I'm descaling my Keurig K25. You really don't need anything fancy. I'm just going to need a cup to catch the actual fluid, some distilled white vinegar. Keurig does sell a Keurig specific descaling fluid. If you want to go that route, I'm just going to be using the white vinegar. First thing you want to do is fill your reservoir up with half vinegar, half water. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the reservoir in. Now make sure you do not have a K-cup in here. With the machine off, you want to hold down the 6 and the 10. About 3 to 5 seconds. And that will kick on the descale mode. So go ahead and hit the 8 now, and it will start descaling. Okay, so the first one's done. I'm going to go ahead and dump this out. And now I'm going to run another 8. And I'm going to do that until this runs out. Okay, this add water light is blinking. I'm going to go ahead and dump the rest of this half vinegar, half water solution and fill it up with pure water. Okay, so now I have this filled up with pure water. Now that I've got the water in the reservoir here, I'm just going to run some more 8s. Okay, so I've run all that, and as you can see, the descale light has turned off. So next time I turn it on, I just need to add water to fill my reservoir up, and then I can choose whatever cup selection I need, install my K-cup, and I'm back in business. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit the thumbs up button.